come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is Defi bully. Today we're gonna do another update about this Grinch bucks. I have to because the contract balance is going parabolic. Look at my hams, boy. My one BNB invested. I was one of the lucky ones. I ain't trying to gloat, but it is what it is. I've had many losses. If you've been following my page, you've seen what happened to me with the golden goose. You've seen what happened to me with a whole bunch of different launches I can't think of right now. Like, it didn't work out in my favor. So finally one kind of went in my favor. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what I mean, celebrate a little bit. Let's see how much money this bringing in. Now this is my I did compound on video about 5 hours ago. So this is about my 5 hours update. And oh yeah, and I almost forgot. Can you guys go over to the DeFi Bully YouTube page, please? If you're not already watching this video from my channel. Which I don't know how you'd be watching if it wasn't from my channel. But head over to the YouTube channel, the DeFi Bully YouTube channel. We on that push to 1,000. Let's get it, people. We so close. I would do a giveaway once I hit 1,000. Yes, I would do a giveaway. But you will have to be in my Telegram group. That's the Bullpen Millionaires down below. Okay? And once some money start coming in and I'm monetized, then I'll figure out something more consistent. Just being straight up. I ain't trying to be one of those people that say I'm going to do this and don't do it. I do want to help the community because you guys are helping me. Now I do have to put in the work for now since I'm not monetized. So some support to the channel. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. It's time sensitive. You seen what happened? Y'all seen what happened? Now something I got to point about Grinch bucks. I realize it's kind of silly. I realize that their frequently asked questions is a copy and paste from the Baked Beans frequently asked questions. Let me see if they have access to it here. Oh, it's not here. Anyway, it's a direct copy and paste. Now, can it be bad? Not really, because it seemed like they just copied the same code anyway. It is a fork, so hopefully everything goes the same. Hopefully they didn't do too much tweaking with stuff, you know. But so far, so good. Let's see. It's only been 1 day. So if you look right here, what's the price of ham? Ham does not have a set price. The higher TVL, the more hams per BNB. Lower TVL, less hams. This create level playing field so no user can be late. There's no calculator available to work this out. Same exact thing on the other one. But yeah, so hopefully it's the same exact tokenomics and they following the same rubric. Okay. What are hams? Hams are the miners that are hired with BNB and work to get your rewards. This is just a term we decided to use. Crypto OGs will know hams as BNB. And if you win now, you have a chance to become a ham whale. A Grinch buck whale. Grinch bucks whale. Let's get it. My link will be down below. Support the channel. I'm just doing some quick ones. Now, something very important. Grinch Buck Miner is a locked rewards pool. So no, you cannot get your initial back. So you cannot get your initial deposit back. So if you're used to farmers, or if you're used to like putting your money in and then when you're ready, you can take it out. You cannot do it with this. You can only withdraw the rewards that's available. Let me show you guys how that look. Now, when I deposited my 1 BNB and got my 1100 ham, I did compound twice since I got this last night. Now, I cannot withdraw that equivalent value for the hams at this particular moment. But I can withdraw this that's accumulated in my 51 green eggs, which is worth $134, which is 0.32040 BNB. I could press claim, then they'll do their taxes. I believe it's a 3% tax. Interesting. It says 3% dev fee here. But when I looked at Monarch, if I'm not mistaken, it says, oh, no. Yep, it is 3% buy, 3% sell. Okay, so that's that. I was going to go over some of these frequently asked questions. The fees are 3%.
You do get 12% referral bonus, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. I believe there's a 12% referral bonus. I'm not sure why it does. Oh, yep, earn 12% of the BNB. So if you guys use referral link, then 12% of your deposit will come to me. It would not affect how much you're putting in. The project just rewards me that way. And you could do the same thing if you have family or friends that you want to get into some of these projects. Now, again, this is not financial advice. I do believe this is still early, although the contract is at 1.78 million. And if you looked at my video 5 hours ago, that's about $300,000 difference. That's good. That's very good, especially counting that it went up over $1 million in the first minute or so, first couple minutes. So, and that's the contract balance right there. Like I said, a good way to double check the contract balance, you can press down here at BScan. See that 1.8 is actually more than it shows on the site. So this is good, people. And then we could check the transactions down here. You can see 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 47 seconds. Yeah, people are rolling in. They're hatching. They're hatching. Hatching means to compound. Buying eggs obviously mean to buy. And to lay, I don't think anybody's doing any claiming. It'll say sell eggs, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I believe this is a solid system. It's sustainable as long as the community is sustainable. It's community driven. The best strategy for this, it'd be the same strategy that we've been talking about on this channel and for a lot of these miners. Compound 6 days, eat 1. Now, I do understand it's very hard for a lot of people to do that. You could do compound 5 days. You could claim 2. You can mix it up. Sometimes what I find myself doing, because like I said, I'm not monetized. Like for example, with my baked beans, I'll withdraw and then I'll use some of the money and I'll put it right back in. That's just that's some things I do. I do know I'm getting taxed, but I do understand that it's also helping the contract. So sometimes it doesn't really bother me. I mean, it's pretty much free money I'm working with now because I made my money back on the baked beans. And I haven't withdrawn any from the Grinch Bucks now, but I do want to grow my position. I want to grow my position to be a Grinch Bucks whale. Let's go. Shout out to everybody that got in. If you didn't get in, it's not too late. I really do feel like, am I my kind of expert, but I'm not a financial expert. I'm not a financial advisor either. Did I make that clear? Is this camera on me? I'm not a financial advisor, but in my expert opinion, or in my experience opinion, with the experience that I do have, it's only the first day and it's at 1.8 million. Let me refresh this. I really believe that this is gonna go to like, by the end of the day, it's definitely gonna hit over 2 million. I believe like it's definitely gonna pass Ruby Mine. Let's take a look at how much Ruby Mine has total in their total value lock. Ruby Mine is at one. Oh, they already passed Ruby Mine. Yeah. And now it looked like a lot of different different projects are catching on that you can advertise on Moonarch. And something interesting I found out about Moonarch. I'm not knocking them, but all these links go to one person's referral. But I believe that's the creator. And if that's a way to show respect to them, go ahead and do that. Because they definitely helped me out with a lot of this organization, organizing all these farmers and miners. So I'm definitely grateful for that. Definitely. So if there's any other and I'm also thinking about jumping into another project, a more long-term play. Everybody kind of upset with what happened with Splash, although they're rectifying their thing. That's splassive. There's another one that's supposed to be the splassive killer, the splash killer that's been doing numbers. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick hint. Oh my God, there go the tsunami with the surge. I'm not on the network, but yeah, I'll do some videos on that one later. Now that is 2% daily. Now the talk of the hour is the Grinch Bucks. So people, use that link down below. Stop wasting time. Let's get into this. Look at this. Contract balance is going up as we speak. As I spoken. Listen. Follow me if you wish. Follow me to get rich. Normally, I don't give up. but I'm about to invest some more into Grinch bucks. That was my green eggs and ham, my cat in the hat rhyme. You guys like that? Like that video. Like this video if that rhyme was good enough for a cat in the hat book. I've been feeling good lately because this is what money do to you when you utilize it the right way, when you make proper investments, and you know what I mean, to make you smile, to make you wake up with a glow. I just woke up. I'm sorry, I don't know if I got, you feel me, in my eyes or whatever, but it doesn't wait because I woke up to this. That means this money is being made in my sleep. They once told me, like growing up, you always hear like millionaires have 7 streams of income, 7 streams of income. Look at this. There's a book with some of my streams of income. It's already double that. I'm already over 16, 14. So diversify your bags, people. Don't put all your green eggs in one basket. But when these things are just coming out and the contract's growing like this, I believe it's a good opportunity. I really do. All right. Like I said, not financial advice. I'm just some guy on YouTube that's doing the do. You guys can follow me, subscribe. Let's get it, people. I'm sure there's some other things I wanted to talk about that I can't remember. If you guys have any questions, just put it in the description down below. Links to the Telegram will be down below. Hit me up. Hit your boy up. Come on. And it's not financial advice, people.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.